Hello everyone, so today I'm just going to share with you how you can upcycle any tight blazers or jacket into a stylish statement piece, a versatile one as that. So this is the jacket I'm working with. This is already too tight for me, so I'm just going to unseam the sleeves and then crop it, so just like this. And then I'm going to unseam the sides of this jacket because there's a need to add fabric to the side. So the whole idea for this tutorial is sustainable fashion, of course keeping up to date. So since I have this already, I decided to create something that is updated, and then yeah, it is. So I'm just going to place the shoulder part in this position because it was attached to the sleeve too. Next is to turn the fabric inside out like this, and then sew the bodies and then the armhole before turning it in, so this way it's neater. So this is it after sewing and turning. I'll do the same for the other sides and then turn. So this is it. So this part now is ready. So the next thing is to, of course, hem the down parts. You can actually use hemming glue or just a stitch, anyone that is convenient. So the next is to cut out a panel that I'm going to add to the sides to increase the size of this jacket. So the size of panel you add depends on how big you want the jacket to be. So this is the panel I'm using based on my own size. So this is it. I'm just going to stitch it to the sides. This will give it additional signature accent to this jacket. So I prefer to do it like this, and it makes it neater too. So next I'm going to create a band from the sleeve. I'm just going to cut a piece of fabric and then join until it gets to the length that I actually want. And then I added the facing to it to give it a bit of firmness. So, and then of course sew and then turn over. So this is the normal standard band that is easy to make. So this is it. So I decided to press and then added this pocket slab to the back because I want the band to be detachable. That's why I decided to do it this way. So I'm just going to create and stitch a buttonhole. So this is the buttonhole I stitched, and then I'm going to mark the middle of this band and then place a button at the middle. So this is what we connect this strap to this jacket. This is it. So that's why it's detachable. I could have just sewed it direct, but I want it detachable so it can be versatile when I decide to wear. So next I'm going to, of course, unstitch another buttonhole in the other side of this jacket. This is what we use to cross and then put the buttons on this jacket. So you see what I'm doing. I'm crossing and marking where the other buttons are going to be. So the buttons I'm using are actually from the jacket, so I didn't use any extra materials or anything from anywhere else. So that's what I'm doing. Now the buttons are in place, so I'm just going to check it out. So this is it. This jacket is as good as ready. So this is the jacket. This is a close-up shot, and I'm so in love with it. Like, this can be styled in so many different ways, and if you really want to know how you can style this jacket in many ways, just leave me a comment down below. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe before you leave. Thanks. Bye.